I'm just using whatever's there.
I'm glad you guys think this is funny.
It's gonna be a bitch to get off.
If my face is marked like this for tomorrow, and it's fucking black.
You're trying to diversify.
Diversify?
Yeah, once you gone black, you never go back.
Priscilla. Yes, dear.
Oh, that looks better.
I wish I could have done this with you. Oh.
That looks better there. Smile. Okay, does that look a little better? Let's see.
Can't see. My eyes are like glued shut.
She looks like she has the mask on. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go around the bank. Who's that? McMahon, the wrestler.
Oh yeah.
The one that had that leather face thing on.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. What's his name? I know Steven would know.
Are you done?